Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's NerdBird here. Thank you for tuning in to yet another video. This is a new segment on the channel designed to bring you tutorials, quick tricks and tips all in 90 seconds. Today's video is how to add filters or effects and sound effects to a project. Now that's a lot to do in 90 seconds. If this is possible, you gotta promise me that you're gonna give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm a little bit nervous actually, but we're gonna do something cool with this. Let's see what we can do. Okay, ready, steady, let's go. Right guys, so we started the clock, we've got our clip here, we're going to press Ctrl U on that selected clip, and now we can separate the audio file. Let's see, can we? Yep, delete it. Now we want to add just where she's fallen over. It's like, oh, she's fallen over, she's hurt, she's in pain. S to split the clip, we want to drag the default, and then we're going to, which is a default video effects, brightness and contrast, guys. Now you can see that we're going to slide the brightness up and then slide the contrast. Now that gives us a way better picture. Then we're going to go here and type in video. I don't know, type in whatever you want to save it as, guys. I'm going quickly. Right, that filter now we can add on all of the videos, but now we're going to do something even more. Press press right click, insert video track. Now we're going to add in a really cool picture that I designed. Cool. It says wasted. We're gonna add in the sound now, guys. Go to the file where your sound is. I'm just gonna slide it on. It's literally it. Just slide it on. Let's do something even cooler. Let's add the same default video effect onto our previous clip and record it video. And then let's go here and add another effect. Default. We're gonna add another effect. Sony Glow. And that's it. We're done. We're done. Do you guys want to see how this is actually going to look? It's actually pretty cool. Let's just play it so that you guys get to see what I've done here. If you know the GTA thing, that's pretty cool. I mean, I don't play that game at all, but I really loved that little animation thing there. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We did it all in 90 seconds. I showed you how to do all three things in 90 seconds. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.